Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, so in today's episode we're not doing any repairs. I don't have my usual t-shirt and I just want to say thank you because I see more action. I see even 5 likes this time, so yay! So I've made myself a promise. If I'll see any interaction from you, and I'll try my best to think of my playlists better. Okay, so I've created a new playlist called Xbox content, and I will be creating other playlists like TV content, TV repairs content, like all types. It's rather than only repairs and IT repairs. So I'll segregate it, because then if you look for something in particular, it's more difficult for you to look for it. Then my second promise to myself and to use that I will try to record more short videos. What I mean by short videos is like 5 to 10 minutes, and once a week or twice a week, or if have to will be more, but I will try to cut them up to half an hour, okay? And I will be asking at places to skip these videos. Now it's really important for me that even if you skip this video, you will watch it till the end, yes? So even if you have to skip it, like certain parts, do it, that's okay, but to watch it. Why? Because for you it's just skipping it, but if you watch it, algorithm at the YouTube works completely differently. So I need likes, I need subscribers, and I need watching, more engagement with those videos. So I will be looking into analytics, what's working better, what's working worse. And believe it or not, at the repairs I got 145 videos, yes? The rest are the other playlists, yes? So I will try my best to do shorter repair videos so that it will be more pleasurable to watch, and I'll segregate, as I was thinking. Now I've made a like a commitment. I will be segregating disassembly, repair, maybe second part of the repair if have to, yes, and then assembly, yes, of that particular device. What else I can say? I can say that I will think of maybe shorts. I know that people like shorts, but I don't know if I will have like straight away solution and there will be plenty of shorts, or maybe I will do once in a while short, yes, and then you would have some value, because I've noticed that you've asked me about the learning electronics, yes, stuff. So I would like to make myself and yourself as well a promise that I will do something about it. But because I've got a lot of those repairs, maybe I can spare some time, just like a few minutes talk, like right now, 3 minutes, and just maybe do something what I could think that it would be helpful for you, yes? Because I know when I was starting in 90s, it was really challenging. You barely had any schematics. You had newspapers like where you could find some schematics, but basically, there was no internet. If finding something, it was just either you know how stuff works or you don't know, and you've got some master, your guru, your Yoda, yes, Master Yoda, and you spend with that person a lot of years, and then you've learned stuff. Whereas now you've got the internet and our distraction is just everywhere, yes? That's why on YouTube especially, I know myself, I'm trying to find something, and I'm finding something that is taking my attention off. So maybe shorts, like a short recordings will be a better solution for some of you, that it will bring more value. But I can't say 100% promise into that. We will see how it will go, okay? I will think of something, I will plan it for another week, and then I will try my best to deploy something. Maybe 2 videos per day will be possible in some of the days, not all of the days, and then you can pick up what video do you want. Do you want longer video about different topic, or maybe this short about something else, yes? So guys, that's it, that's everything. I wanted to do it below the 5 minutes, so thank you, see you in the next video, and don't forget to like the video, please. Bye bye.